Ethan and Noah were racing across the park when they spotted something tangled in a tree. It was a huge, colorful kite, unlike any they had ever seen before. The kite shimmered like sunlight on water. When Ethan touched it, the string hummed as though alive. Noah gasped and asked, "Do you feel that? It's buzzing!" Suddenly, the kite tugged hard. Both boys grabbed the string, but instead of falling, they were lifted high into the sky, higher than birds, higher than planes. Their stomachs flipped as clouds whirled beneath their feet. "We're flying!" Noah shouted, laughing, while Ethan clung tightly, his eyes wide with wonder. They drifted through towers of fluffy clouds until a voice called, "Help us!" A family of cloud creatures floated nearby, their edges fading like mist. "The rainbow is broken," said a cloud child with tearful eyes. "Without it, the sky will lose its colors. Please, will you help us?" Ethan looked at Noah. He was nervous, but he nodded. "We'll help," Noah declared bravely. The kite glowed brighter, pulling them towards a dark storm cloud. Thunder rumbled. The rainbow was shattered into pieces, scattered like glass. Lightning blocked their way. "We'll never get through!" cried Ethan. "We can," said Noah firmly, "if we work together." The brothers held on tight, steering the kite together. Their laughter echoed, breaking the storm apart. Piece by piece, they gathered the rainbow shards, fitting them back into place with patience and care. Colors burst across the sky in dazzling light. The cloud creatures cheered as the rainbow arched proudly once more. "You've restored our hope," said the cloud child. "The sky is alive again." As the kite lowered Ethan and Noah gently back to the park, Ethan whispered, "We did it." Noah grinned and replied, "Together." They knew the magic was inside them too. The brothers learned that with courage, patience, and teamwork, even the stormiest challenges can be overcome. That night, the rainbow glowed brighter in their dreams. True strength comes from working together, showing bravery, and never giving up, because when hearts unite, even broken rainbows can shine again.